Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold in TickMill. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because we are having here the MT5 chart. And if you want to buy gold, we go right here to search symbol and we fill in right here XAU. There we are having right there the gold versus US dollar. We click on that and then right now this is the gold chart. Then from here, if you want to buy gold, we can click right here on new order and then we can fill in right here the volume that we want to buy. So let's say we want a volume of 1. That means that we will buy 100 XAUUSD. So decide for yourself what you want to do. Now let's do a 0.01. This is fine. We can add a stop loss or a take profit if you want to do that. And then after that, we click right here on buy by market. So right now, if you select right here buy by market, we created ourselves a position on gold right here for this price. And if you want to close it, we can click here on the cross. But this is how you can buy gold right here on TickMill. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you have more questions, please comment it down below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.